folks. There are Bulbophyllum Wilbur Chang, Bulbophyllum Frank Smith, Doris Dukes. There's Paphiopedilum Harold Kupovich, Paphiopedilum Joanna Burkhart. There's Cattleya Bob Betts, Cattleya Miss Mahler, Memoria Miss Mahler, Fred Tompkins, Cattleya Grant Eiler, Lynette, and Brassavolas are no different. There's Brassavola George Tyler, Brassavola Jiminy Cricket, and this one, Brassavola David Sanders, which is Brassavola cucullata times Brassavola or Rhyncholaelia digbyana. This is amazingly representative of both of the parents, both of the hybrids. The night fragrance is not the least reminiscent of both. Very potently night fragrant of jasmine. That frilly lip and the green tinge to the flower and inside that throat really makes it extra special. A bucket list plant. These require the familiar Cattleya-like conditions. Highlight short of burning, and then they want, during the grow season, they want a wet dry cycle always. The more the better. The higher the temperature, the more waterings per day. These prefer to be mounted as their growths are pendant, especially when they're flowering, and they are best displayed that way. And it does accommodate the wet dry cycle that they love so much, allowing their roots to dry off in between waterings. And good air movement and humidity is essential as well. That's all I got. And this was purchased off of eBay by none other than Mr. SVO Jose Lopez. Thanks for watching.